All right, so now we need to print the average rating of this particular product. Okay, so there are multiple ways to print the average, but I'll show you how exactly we need to do in a proper way. Okay, so if I go to this go to this product model. Okay, so if you go to the store and models, okay, so we have the product model here, right? So in this we will actually calculate the average review of this particular product. Okay, so how do we do that? We will actually create a new function here, define, let's say average review. Okay, average review, and it will take a self, and now we'll actually fetch the review with the average. Okay, so let's say reviews is equal to review rating. Okay, review rating dot objects dot filter. We'll filter it by product. Okay, we'll filter it by product equal to self, comma status equal to true. Okay, now type aggregate, and now you see average is equal to AVG of this rating. Which rating? This rating. Okay, so this rating, you see here, this rating. Okay, we are putting that rating inside this average inbuilt function. Okay, so that's why it will give you the average. And now let's say average is equal to 0, so you should initialize this average. So now if you say if reviews of average, okay, so this average, reviews of average, put it inside the quotation, review average is not none, AVG is equal to float of reviews. Okay, so we are taking this reviews of average. Now you can return average. Okay, so when you return this AVG, then you can call this average review function. Let me explain how exactly this works. So we are taking the average review function, right? So in this average review function, what we are doing, we are actually filtering the product by self. Self means we are filtering for this product. Okay, status equal to true. Okay, so this part is clear, right? And we are applying this aggregate average clause on this filtered product, right? So when you apply this aggregate average clause on this filtered product, what is going to happen? It will give you the average of this particular field. Okay, this particular field. Right now this is the rating field, right? So that's why it will give you the average of this rating. Okay, so now we are actually initializing the average equal to 0. Okay, because right now it is inside the query, right? So we can access this average with this reviews. Okay, so if reviews of average, you see this is same as average. Okay, so this is also average. Okay, this can be anything. Okay, so I'm giving this as average. So if reviews of average is not none, okay, if average is not none, then what we are doing, we are just converting this to float. So that's all is happening here. Okay, then we are returning this average. All right, so now we can actually access the product dot average review. So if you want to see this, if I go to this product review product detail page, let me print this. Okay, so we have the access to single product, right? Inside this single product we can access average review function. Okay, average review. Now if I refresh, All right, a name avg is not defined. I'll go back to this models and I'll say from Django dot db dot models import avg. Okay, now if you refresh, so now you can see 2 is the average rating of this product. Okay, so I'll just check if this is working properly. I'll change the number here 5. Okay, I'll make it 5, and now if I refresh, now you can see it is a 2.75. This is 5 and this is half, right? So that's how it is, and based on this number we are going to show the stars. Okay, so let's start showing the stars.